Where's my costume?
Here it is, Randy. Power Rangers costume, just like you asked.
It's a girl's costume! My friends are here!
Nobody cares what color your costume is.
Randy's going as Elton John this year.
You guys. Mom, I need a trick-or-treat bag.
We're out of shopping bags, honey. Just use this.
Here you are, little girl.
That does it. I'm going home. It's too small. I can't get it off. This is the greatest Halloween ever.
It's our pit. Run!
Come here. Hey, baby. You, me, going for a ride.
No.
Oh, no. Armpit's gonna rape Randy.
Nobody understands me. I try to fit in, but I'm filled with so much rage. Why did my soccer coach do that to me? You know what, sweetheart? I didn't even get your name.
Are you Randy McCormick?
Yes! Oh, thank goodness you're here. I'm Randy McCormick.
Randy McCormick? I'm gonna kill you, man!
Randy, I'm afraid your mom's dead.
What?
It was a fire, son. It seems all she had time to do was write this note saying she never loved you.
Oh, no!
Right before she shot your dog. Have a happy Halloween.
Randy McCormick! Randy McCormick! I'm gonna